Doing all right. Can't complain.
No use in it, huh?
Yeah, that's the truth. All right, so this one right
Yeah,
here.
look what I did.
Ooh.
I damaged it, huh?
Well, it's just cosmetic for the most part, and I mean, it could be tightened now, but that's about it. Ooh.
Yeah.
I guess last time I used this, I didn't put everything up right. Let me try and use something else here.
Look at you.
Alright. Alrighty. Awesome. Let me put this up real quick. Alright.